Good morning, class. Okay, we're still with network in Graph Theory, and today we will learn about how to draw. How to draw a graph. And then the next one is determine whether a graph can be drawn or not. Interesting, huh? Okay, we move to the first one. This one you are asked to draw a simple graph. Just draw a simple graph based on the given information. So you are given the vertices and also the edges. So how do you do it? Okay, first you know that your vertices, you have 5 vertices, 5 dots. So you write the dots first. Let's say this is A, B, can put anywhere, C, your D may be here, your E may be here. Okay, and then you go to the edges. So you look at here, AB, so you connect A to B, and then A to C, A to D, and then B to C, B to C, and then B to E. So done. Done. You can also do you don't write all the dots first, you go one by one. Okay, we start with, let's say we start with A, and then A, you refer here A to B, so maybe you could put B here, and then A to C, A to C, A to C, maybe you could put C here, you can put anyway, as you like. A to D, still A here to D, and then B to C, B to C, you have to connect B to C, and then B to E, B to E anyway, B to E. Okay, so you have two different diagram, but it's all correct. Don't worry. Okay, next is example 5. You have to draw a graph with multiple edges and loops. You still remember multiple edges and loops? Let's see. Okay, vertices, you have 4 dots, 4 vertices. So you can do the dots first. It's all up to you. You want to do the dots, no problem. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you go one by one. So you must be alert, from here, the edges. You already notice that where is the loop? Where is the loop? Okay, this is the loop. And then where is the multiple edges? This one, the one that have a repeat number. Okay, so be careful. 1 1, that means a loop here. Okay, 1 2, you connect 1 to 2. 1 4, you connect 1 to 4. And then 2 4, you connect here. And then again 2 4 come out again. So you can put it, this is the multiple edges, multiple edges. So maybe you can put here. And then 2 3 will be here, and then 3 4 will be here. So you have done the drawing. Okay, next, if you want to do a different method, you can also do with the dots, with the vertex, one by one. Let's say you start with one vertex first, that is number 1. So 1 here, and then you go here, so that is a loop over there. Then 1 2, so 1 2, maybe you can go here. One by one you do 1 2, and then 1 4, Yeah, 1 4 1 4. So maybe 4 will be here, and then 2 4. Yeah, 2 2 4 here, and then another 2 4. So this is the multiple edges. You can put like this. Okay, no problem. And then 2 3 2 3. Maybe your 3 can be here, and then 3 4. You just connect here. 3 4. You see, you have different, little bit different, but it's still correct. Yeah, so you choose which method you like. Now we go to example 6, that is determine whether a graph can be drawn or not. Yeah, so you are given following degrees. Yeah, remember what is degree? Yeah, degree is the number of edges. So all these are number of edges. Okay, can you draw this graph with the degree given? So you have to go back, yeah, to your formula of degree and edges. Your sum of degree, yeah, of a graph is 2e. Yeah, what's the meaning of 2e? 2e, that means 2 times the number of edges. So your edges will always be even number. So it can be drawn. Okay, if it is odd, you cannot draw. Why? Because it's all already in the formula. Whatever times with 2 must be, the number will be even. Yeah, so what do? You just total up. Yeah, you just total up the edges. Yeah, the degrees. You total up the degrees. Okay, the sum of degree I've written for you. So when you total up here, what you'll get? You'll get 10. Yeah, so 10 is even. That means the graph can be drawn. Yeah, because what? The sum of degrees is even. Okay, for B the sum is 9. Yeah, sum of degrees is 9. So this is odd number. So graph cannot be drawn because the sum of degree is odd. So very easy. Yeah, next time you just check the sum of degrees. Okay, class, I add in 2 more examples. Yeah, this is a little bit of hot question. Draw a simple graph with the given degrees of vertices. Okay, you are given the degree. Yeah, how do you draw? Okay, we start with, it's good if you can, you know that you have 5 vertices. So let us label all these vertices. Yeah, label it for A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, we start with the number 1 here, A. So A have 4 degrees. 4 degrees meaning have 4 edges lah, kan? Jadi this one A, you write A. Oh, you cannot write A here. It should be here. Your A. You have to be. Okay, we start A here, 4 degree. So that means 4 edges. Okay, this is done. For B, maybe B can be here, but only so far one degree. so we have to make another one. You connect the other 3. So this one already done 3, yeah. And then here can be C. So far only 2, but this one is 3, so you connect here, will come 3. And then here can be D. Only so far 2. When you connect here, it become 3. And then of course here will be E, yeah. And you have 3 degrees. All have the right degree. Okay. Next, you have to draw a graph with loops and multiple edges. Remember, loops and multiple edges. So we start again by labeling, yeah, A, B, and C for all the degree. Okay, so for A, you start with A will have 2 degrees, so maybe A will be like this, yeah. Okay, already 2. So for B, you have 4. How to make it 4? If you connect here, this one already 2. How to make it 4? Because maybe we have loops, because loops have 2 degrees, so this one already 4, yeah, already 4. And then C, what about C? Okay, C, this is, wow, 6, 6 degree. How to do it? So maybe C will have one loop, yeah, 1 loop here. 1 loop, that means only 4. So how to make it 6? If you put multiple edges, let's say you put here and then another one here, okay, it becomes 6. But what happened to your A? Your A already become 1, 2, 3, but your A is only 2, so this is not right. B also will become wrong degree, so you cannot put multiple edges, so we have to put another loop here, so that it will become 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, you have seen it, yeah. You have to really check, yeah. After you have drawn this, you have to check, do you have the right degree, yeah. For B you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For A you have 1, 2, so correct lah, yeah. So well done everybody. I hope you understand the solution, everything, yeah, the example. So you have to do question 5.1a, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, all the best to you. I know you can do it. Bye.